Welcome to your daily technical breakdown. I'm Victoria here, breaking down the latest signals for Tesla so that even new investors can understand the big picture. Let's dive into this exciting stock analysis together. First things first, sentiment is positive here. That means more people are expecting Tesla to go up rather than down right now. Plus, the price is above its simple moving average, which is a big plus for bulls. When prices stay above their averages, it suggests that buyers have been in control. Looking at the relative strength index, it's neutral. That means the stock isn't overbought or oversold yet. That gives us some breathing room before we might see a reversal. The volatility is high, which can be both good and bad. High volatility can lead to big gains, but also bigger drop. However, the average true range is also high, indicating that the stock's price movements are unpredictable. This could mean more risk for investors, especially if they have a lower tolerance. The short interest ratio here is 0.56 days, which is relatively low. That suggests that short sellers aren't piling into the stock heavily, so there might be less downward pressure from them. The short percentage of float is only 9%, which means that even if some short sellers do cover their positions, it's unlikely to cause a massive sell-off. Now, moving on to technical indicators like MACD and OBV. The MACD is bullish because the main line is above the signal line. That typically means the trend is upward. OBV is rising, which aligns with positive price action. It's like volume cheering for the stock to go higher. But wait, let's not forget about risk. Tesla has a high risk profile here, indicated by its EV/BB ratio of 61, and PEG ratio of 4.39. These metrics show that the stock is expensive relative to earnings growth expectations. High-risk stocks can be rewarding, but also come with larger potential losses. The ADX is 17.35, which is in a low range. This suggests that there's not much directional movement in the stock right now, meaning it might be consolidating before moving further. Bollinger Bands are within bands, so the price hasn't broken out yet. That could mean we're in a period of sideways trading until something triggers a breakout. Putting all these signals together, positive sentiment, above SMA, rising OBV, and a bullish MACD all point to potential buy opportunities. However, high volatility and risk mean that while the short-term outlook is favorable, investors need to be prepared for ups and downs. The EV/EBITDA and PEG ratios are quite high, so if you're looking for lower risk plays, Tesla might not be the best fit. But for those willing to take on higher risks for potentially higher rewards, this could be a good candidate. That's all for today's pick. Stay tuned again tomorrow for more updates. Remember, investing always comes with risk, so do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions. Happy trading.